Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lakewood, or near Algonquin, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Arlington Heights, Palatine, Hoffman Estates, Buffalo Grove, Carpentersville, Algonquin, McHenry, Woodstock, Lake Zurich, Waconda, Barrington, Island Lake, Long Grove, Water Lake, Sleepy Hollow, East Dundee, Bartlett, Streamwood and Lake, Indiana the Hills, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 22 and 36. This includes Elgin Community College, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, and Marine Hills State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The current